If someone asks you about the most expensive space telescope, the answer is the James Webb Space Telescope, costing around $10 billion compared to $1.5 billion spent on Hubble telescope. But first of all, let's explore the Hubble Space Telescope, which really has set a landmark in the human history. From ages the mankind has wished to look deep into the space. On April 24, 1990, Hubble telescope was launched into the space with the help of Space Shuttle Discovery. But its journey was never so easy. It was initially discovered that primary mirror had some problem. Replacing the mirror was not practical. The corrective optics were built and installed on Hubble by spacewalking astronauts during a shuttle mission in 1993. The images taken by Hubble are the most stunning pictures taken by any human-made telescope ever. Pictures of nebulas, also called the pillars of creation, as the new stars were seen emerging within the dust formed from stars which exploded at the end of their life. And one of the most stunning images was the image of Andromeda Galaxy. This picture is only a small portion of huge Andromeda Galaxy. These are the stars like our Sun and some stars way bigger than our Sun, and the distance between these stars vary from a few light years to hundreds of light years, making us feel so small in the endless universe. This is why we call it observable universe, because till today we have not been able to find the edge of this universe. If someone will try to count the number of stars that are part of Andromeda Galaxy, it will take ages, but the stars will remain countless. Andromeda and the Milky Way are heading on a collision course that will alter the structure of the two galaxies in future. The galaxies are rushing closer to one another at more than 100 kilometers per second. It is estimated that at this pace it will take 4 billion years for collision to take place. So we don't have to worry about that. When making a comparison between the Hubble Space Telescope and James Webb Space Telescope, the latter is said to be 100 times more powerful than Hubble Space Telescope. NASA's New Horizons became the first spacecraft to visit dwarf planet Pluto in July 2015. It took around more than 6 years to reach Pluto. This is the high-definition image of Pluto taken by the New Horizons spacecraft. The Hubble could not capture so detailed image as this was the image provided by Hubble. Now the natural question which strikes is, if Hubble was able to take detailed images of Andromeda Galaxy 2.5 million light-years away, why it was not able to capture images of Pluto within our solar system. Suppose you are taking image of mountain 100 miles away, you will get good quality image with a good quality camera, but you cannot take image of an insect only a few meters away. James Webb Space Telescope will make use of infrared light emitted by distant objects which is not visible to our eyes. Here is an animation of how the James Webb Telescope will be loaded into the rocket carrying it into the space. After successful launch, it will be placed in a orbit 1.5 million kilometers from Earth. The most critical stage would be after the successful launch of the mission. Actually, it is said to be the real nail-biting period, when many pre-scheduled tasks would need to be completed in order to get it placed in a position where it could see inside the deep dusty space objects which have remained unseen till date. During Webb's first stage of observations, astronomers will use its infrared imaging power to address some of the unique and persistent challenges presented by the Milky Way's black hole named Sagittarius A, which still remains unexplored of this galactic center. It is said that our solar system is orbiting this galactic center along with other stars of the galaxy. Hope after the successful mission we will able to find out the origin of the universe and to look at the edge of the universe